Meaning of horrify.
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 Horrify. The word horrify means to cause extreme fear, shock, or disgust in someone. It is a strong and intense emotion that can be triggered by various events or situations such as witnessing a violent crime, experiencing a natural disaster, or hearing disturbing news. The result of being horrified is often a feeling of helplessness, confusion, and trauma that can last for a long time. People who have been horrified may suffer from anxiety, nightmares, or even post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD. Therefore, it's important to take care of ourselves and seek professional help if necessary when we are affected by something horrifying.